Storage has never been easier or safer than with the Monkey Bars Bike Storage Rack. Installation can be completed in as little as 15 minutes. First, let's measure the longest object you will hang and add a few inches for hanging space. Measuring up from the floor, use a pencil to mark the bar height on the wall. Use a stud finder to locate the center of a stud. Place a bracket over the height and stud marks and use a pencil to outline each hole. Once you've got the bracket lined up, drive the top screw in. Make sure the bracket is vertically level and then drive the bottom screw in. Measure out from the first bracket and mark the last stud within the length of your monkey bar. Press the double button and snap the monkey bar into the bracket. Slide a second bracket onto the bar and use a level to find the height of the second bracket. Mark both holes and repeat as you did with the first bracket. If your monkey bar rack has a third bracket, slide it onto the monkey bar, find a stud for the third bracket, and mark the holes. Remove the bar to drive in the screws. Now all you have to do is snap or slide the hooks right onto the bar. Make the most of your garage with this and many other products from Monkey Bar Storage.